The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WNG 536, in DeKalb, serving north central Illinois, including DeKalb and Sycamore, from a transmitter provided by the Northern Illinois University Department of Environmental Health and Safety. The current time is 11:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook.